How's it going, everybody? Big John from Big John Tech Reviews. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing of some tech stuff I got in the mail that I had ordered. So let's just go through this and let's see what happens. All right, let's get the camera adjusted here. No more bumpy camera issues. All right, first off, this is a nice little cardboard envelope that came in the mail. I like the design on the back. Let me get some of this light out of the way so it doesn't blind y'all real quick. Some nice little different design on the back, and this is an envelope from Dbrand. Here's the envelope right here from Dbrand. All right, ordered some stuff, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. Open this up here. Let's get inside and see what the goodies look like. All right. Make sure if there's nothing else in here. Quick peek. Not seeing anything else in there. Pretty dark in there. No, nothing else. I'll set that off to the side. Alright. So I had ordered some stuff for my my new laptop computer that I got. I got the Dell XPS 13 9730 version. Sorry about that. And this is what I ordered for it. So this is the skin. It's a marble skin. I like the marble look. As you can see on my countertops here, I like the way the marble look. So this is going to go on top of my Dell laptop computer, which is sitting right over there. There's my laptop right over there. So it's going to go on the top part of here. I think it's going to look just great with it. All right. Get back into some view here. So then there's a couple other things that I ordered with this, but this has a 3M sticky tape on the back. This is the first time I've ordered anything from Dell. I'm sorry, from Dbrand. So we're going to be putting this on, and I'll be once I get it all installed and everything, I'll show everybody how it looks on my my laptop. There were some others that I ordered. They give you a nice microfiber cleaning cloth to clean your devices off, whatever you use to put on your Dbrand Skins. Whether it be phones or laptops or whatever else it might be. So put that off to the side here. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's see what this is here. There's some little logo tabs for, it says Dell. You can barely see it. You punch them out here. You punch the little letters out, and it'll show up behind there, and it'll have the white around it, so it's going to look good with my silver Dell logo on the front there. Set that off to the side with that. This is dbrand.com. Purchase, delivered, apply. Dbrand. Nice packaging here. Nice little sleeve from Dbrand. It's not a product, it's a culture, it says. Not a product, it's a culture. So we'll set that off to the side here. Then I also ordered some skins for my Mate 10 Pro phone, and this is where they are. I ordered a red one, and I ordered a black one, carbon fiber feel. So let's take these out. Let's look at them. There's a red one, and there's the black one. Another Dbrand. Purchase, delivered, apply. Dbrand. Nice little sleeves they come in. Nice hard thick plastic with a cardboard insert behind it to keep it from bending. So it's really nice looking. Thank you, Dbrand. Appreciate that. We're going to try it out. So here is the black carbon fiber. It's going to go back on my Mate 10 Pro, Huawei Mate 10 Pro that is. So I got that one. I like how it glitters and the different light view. It should look nice on the phone. Set that off to the side. Here is a white one, a marble. See if I can rock this on there for a couple weeks or so. Like I said, I like the marble look, so we're going to try that one out. And of course, I like the red. The red looks really nice, carbon fiber red looking. It feels real nice. So we're going to put these on the phone, try them out for a couple different 2-3 weeks at a time, and I'll make little videos, let everybody see what it's like. And once again, another microfiber cloth to clean your products with. So that was a little unboxing there from Dbrand, so I'm gonna be checking those out here soon. And once again, I'll let you know what those look like. All right, so this next box I got from Amazon. So let's go ahead and just open this up here. I think I remember what this was, but you never know until you get it all open. All right. I'm gonna take this out. Oh, that's right. This was a memory foam mouse pad that I ordered. You're gonna set this down. Move this out of the way here. Set it down here. You know, when you put your hand on there for your mouse, it's gel cushioned. So we're going to be trying this out, and once again, I'll be showing everybody my final desk complete setup for my new computer room that I got going here. If you haven't checked out my video on my computer room tour, be sure to check out the link above. I'll have it posted up there. Just go and click on that link, and it'll show you my computer room setup. So let's get this out of the way here. All right, set this off to the side. All right, this is from Lamicoll that I ordered. It says Share and Simple. This is designed by Skyhorse, and this is a stand for your laptop computer. So we're gonna open this up here. Let's take a look at it. All right, nice little piece here. Little metal back for the stand. We'll set this off to the side here. Take this off here. All right. Got a nice little card in here from Lamicoll, talking about your purchase and how it looks. Now, from my understanding, when I was looking this up, this is a 360 laptop. Sorry about that, folks. 360 laptop holder stand that you can rotate around and move your laptop at different angles and stuff and different height adjustments. So here's some hardware in here for it to get it all set up and hooked up. And then let's just take the main two different base parts out of here, and I can get rid of this box. Get that out. Get that out of the way. Man, that thing is really heavy. Boy, that is. Hear it? Man, that's solid, thick aluminum. It looks like. Or cast aluminum or something. Alright, so this looks like this is going to be the bottom with the rubber grip pads on the corners for when you set it down on the bottom. And then I'm seeing these holes here, so this is going to set up like this, and then your lap part, sorry about that, folks, the laptop part is going to connect up here and give you a nice angle on your laptop here. We'll set this down here like this. I'm going to open this up here out of the bag so we can get a better view of the part that your laptop actually rests on. So it's going to go together something like this. This is going to go on here, and then this is going to connect here, and then it's going to be able to swivel. It's going to be able to turn and adjust. So this is where your laptop's going to rest on top of here. It's got some nice rubber padding cushioning right here for your laptop to sit on top of. And it is rubberized, so it's going to has a nice grip to hold the laptop. And then down here on the bottom, where the bottom of your laptop is going to rest at an angle so it don't slide off, it's also rubbery padding, so it's going to grip and hold there. So once again, this is for the laptop, and like I said, it does do a 360 turn. So I'll get this all set up, and we'll see what it's going to look like once I get the final product all put together and the rest of my laptop on top. Once again, this is Big John from Big John Tech Reviews. Just wanted to bring you this little brief casing here, showcase of this stuff I purchased from Amazon for the laptop stand and the new gel foam mouse pad. So if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button below. If you would, please comment. I love to have comments in the bottom. Tell me what you think. Tell me if any improvements I can maybe do on my videos. I do appreciate all the help I can get. I've been around for almost 2 years now, but I took a while off, so I'm getting back in the groove of YouTube. So a lot more videos coming out. I do have a unboxing of a Cricket wireless phone review that I'm going to be doing, and that's going to be for the Moto E Supra. So that's coming. That is coming soon for the review and unboxing of this phone I picked up the other day. So once again, thanks everybody for watching. This is Big John Tech Reviews. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. I would appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you on the flip side.